What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the Up Your Drum Kit boxes inside of Canva. Let's go ahead and dive right in so I can show you how to customize your own box. Alright, so we have the template selected. All the templates will have this white background layer, as you can see here. If you click on the white background layer and you drag it to the left, the graphic underneath is now exposed for you to begin editing and customizing. So let's go ahead and customize this. Let's give it a name, Doom Snares, okay? And we're gonna click on that white background and just drag it right back to where it was so we can see what everything is looking like, and it looks pretty good. I may want to move around the volume 1 a little closer, just like that. All right, and it looks good. So with the rest of the text boxes, go ahead, double click them, add your information in there. If they're too long, whatever you put in there, just make sure that this text box, you can drag it to the left or to the right to expand it. Okay, so keep that in mind. And another side note with the text boxes, they don't look balanced, right? They don't look centered, they don't look symmetrical to the canvas. And we did that purposely because with the 3D box, we want everything to kind of be, you know, cohesive with the look of the box. So we had to move around the text to make it look and give it that 3D look. So don't try to move around too much, all right? Just quick side note. And if you want to change the picture of the box, just grab an image. So right here, we're just going to move this. Go to your images and just drag and drop on top of the existing photo, just like so. And let's see if that looks good. Click the white background, drag it to the right. If you want to have the box be a solid color, we can do that as well. So just delete that photo, and this is the solid color that is already there for you. You can go to the top left and click the color section, and you can make it anything that you want. A solid color, a gradient. I like gradients because it gives more of that 3D look that we're looking for. So for instance, say we go with this, click the white background and just drag it to the right, just like so. Okay. And if you want a solid color, no gradient, just click right here and you have these colors. You can customize your color by clicking this plus sign, and let's say we want that. Click the white background layer, drag it all the way to the right, and you're done. That's all you need to do, guys. Very straightforward process. If you want to now download, go to the top right, hit share, download PNG. That's the format that you want to pick. When it comes to size, drag it all the way to the right. All right, no transparent, none of this. Hit download, and we're gonna wait for it to download. All right, so now that it's done downloading, we're gonna pull that image that downloaded into our Canva library of photos, and I want to show you now how to create a transparent background for your box. So if you click add page on your canvas right here, you'll see this little plus sign. You're gonna click that, add page. All right, and we're gonna drag that image that just loaded into our library, just like this. And the white background is still attached, so we want to get rid of it. Click that image one time, edit photo here at the top left, and background remover. It's going to erase that background. Really cool. All right, and as you can see, it's kind of blending in. So I just want to show you guys that the background has now been removed, and you now have a transparent box. So you have to export this transparent box. Go to share at the top, download PNG, size all the way to the right, and make sure it's transparent. Make sure that transparent background is selected. All right, go to all pages, and we want to download that page number 2 that we just created, and we're gonna hit download. So we should have a transparent box. So let's give it a test. Let's drag that into Canva now, that new transparent image. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this so you can see that it worked. I'm gonna drag it right on top of that canvas, and it's done, you see? So if you wanted to create like a promo around your box, you could do that as well by adding a photo here on top of the main canvas. All right, position to back, and there you go. Okay, if you want to add a little flair to your box in the transparent stage, click your box, go to edit photo, Now under the effects tab, go to shadows and drop. And just like that, I'm gonna click it just one time. I don't need to move around anything. It looks good to me. You have now some shadow that gives it more of a realistic look, just like so. Very beautiful, very straightforward. It's a game changer, honestly, when you can just drag and drop anything and create a box. Before, we would go into Photoshop and have to arrange everything, and it was completely different. All right, so this is massive game changer. I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, hit us in the DM. This will also be available on YouTube, so if you're watching this on YouTube, hit us in the comments, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you know that we are active. So you're all done. This concludes the video on how to edit the Up Your Drum Kit boxes inside of Canva. Happy editing, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.